IELTS vocabulary. Understanding and using the word army. The word army is an essential part of your IELTS vocabulary. Understanding this word and using it correctly can help you express ideas about military, large groups, and organization in both your speaking and writing tasks. Word type army is a noun. This means it is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Meaning, an army is a large, organized group of soldiers who are trained to fight on land. It is typically a part of a country's military forces. Word history: the word army comes from Old French armée, which means armed force. This origin helps us remember that an army is indeed an armed group. Antonyms: some opposite concepts to army include civilians, individuals, and disorganized groups. Synonyms: similar words to army include military, troops, forces, and battalion. These words can help you vary your language when discussing military topics. Examples used in sentences. Here are some examples of how to use army in sentences. The country has a well-trained army to defend its borders. My brother joined the army after finishing high school. An army of volunteers helped clean up the city after the flood. Common errors in use: a common mistake is using army to describe any large group. While we sometimes use army figuratively, like in our last example sentence, it is primarily used for military contexts. Be careful not to overuse it for non-military situations in formal writing. To recap, army is a noun referring to a large, organized military force. It comes from the idea of an armed group. Remember to use it mainly in military contexts, and you will be well equipped to discuss this topic in your IELTS exam.